Hey guys, alright, like I said, I was going to go ahead and do the Weigh My Truck Cat app. This is a very useful tool, so you don't have to, after you get done getting weighed, you ain't got to wait in line to get a scale ticket. It automatically comes to your email, and you get a copy. I mean, you get a printout of this, or you get a screenshot of this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the cat scale location, and it is located at the bottom of the instructions when you pull up to the scale. So the scale location is 502. Accept that. And prior to you doing this, you've got to go to the Weigh My Truck website and register an account and put all the information in there. Yeah. Right, that is the right one. Put your information in there. Now with this fee, you can do EFS. A lot of major trucking companies prefer you doing the EFS, or you can pay for it by yourself and have them. And there it is. So my steer axle, my drive axle, my trailer axle, I am well under the legal limit to transport these goods. So that's what I am looking at right now. Like I said, you'll also get an email of the scale ticket, and that's it, guys. So hope you guys are doing good. Good morning, and hope this helps.